In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify account. With a quick Google search, you will find the official Shopify website. You can scroll down and find the Shopify website for your location, or you can get started with shopify.com. Because I'm based here in the UK, I'm going to click on shopify.co.uk so that I have the right currency for my Shopify account. Here is the official Shopify website here. You can start a free trial or you can have a look at the pricing. I'm going to show you the pricing of Shopify and see what it has to offer at this current moment in time. Remember, pricing is subject to change depending on what time you're visiting Shopify. So let's quickly click on pricing. You can see that when you get started with Shopify, you can have a free trial, a basic package, a Shopify package, and of course an advanced package. The advanced is £259 per month. Shopify, which is the default or middle pricing plan, is £49 per month, and the basic is £19 per month. They all have different benefits and different things that are applied to them. Of course, that's why you have a price plan. You can also click to see the price plan. So if I select this now, you'll see what you're getting with your Shopify store when you select the account for you. For example, the basic here has an online store, unlimited products that you can list, staff accounts, only 2 at maximum, 24-hour support from Shopify staff, and of course there are sales channels and a lot more, and you can scroll through here to see what you're getting, what you're not getting, or what you're limited to when you select that package. Of course there is another package being the £49 and the £259, and this is how you can see and make a decision on which package is right for you and your Shopify business. I'm now going to go to the top and I'm going to select start your free trial. It also reads that there is no credit card required to start this free trial. I'm now going to enter an email account, a password. This will be the login information that I will be using for my Shopify store. Of course, this is a trial period, and it doesn't look like you're going to be automatically billed when the trial ends because you're not entering any credit card, debit card information. I'm now going to also enter a store name as an example. So I'm entering this information. You should do the same. Your Shopify store name, or the store name that you pick, which is available, will become a part of the web address that your customers will need in order to visit your store, or when being sent or redirected to your store. As you can see here, I've selected trial testers, and the URL that I'm given is trialtesters.myshopify.com. When you're ready, you can select create your store. It says sit tight, we're creating your store. Success, your store is ready to go. Here you have a few questions that Shopify is asking you before you get your store up and running. You can actually skip these questions here. Some e-commerce services like Shopify like to do this so they can give you hints and recommendations along the way when you're creating your store or your store is up and running or becoming successful. This information can help them when you're getting started. If you would like to fill out this information but you're getting stuck along the way and you need that additional help, you can always hit me up in the comment section down below. But for now, for this tutorial, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select skip. Shopify will then ask you for an address for your business. Once you've done this, you've successfully created your first Shopify account. There is a few bits of information on screen right now that I can take you through very quickly to give you an understanding of what Shopify has to offer. You can add a domain. This means if you own a website address and you would like to connect this to your Shopify, you can add this. And that's what it means by add domain. When you purchase a domain from a domain provider, this is a web address, you can redirect anything to that address. For example, if you created a website on a service, for example, a Shopify website, this is where that website address can be taken to. So that if somebody enters your website address into a browser, they will be taken to your Shopify address if you choose to connect it to your Shopify. You can also set up payments. Start selling with Shopify payments. Set up your Shopify payments account to start accepting payments. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business. You can customize your theme, and of course you can also find products to sell without buying the inventory. This is basically being the third-party merchant who's selling products from another provider. Let's browse these dropshipping apps to give you a better understanding of what's on offer here. These are some of the third-party providers that you can use to sell their products on your Shopify store. For example, Printful is available. If I select Printful, you will have a demo of what's on offer at Printful, and you will also be able to add the app to your store. There is a free plan available. And these products can be listed inside of your Shopify store when you're working with Printful via Shopify. There is a lot more to dig into, and I will also be digging into Shopify a lot more, as Shopify is now available for YouTube. So you can connect your Shopify store to your YouTube account, and you can sell to your viewers, subscribers, and audience if you have a Shopify store up and running, as an additional way for your viewers and subscribers to be able to support you. I'm here to help you here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, and this video will be inside of my online money playlist. So don't forget to check that out, as I will have more help on different services that help you with your online money. On screen right now, you should see some additional content that will be helpful, interesting, or entertaining to you right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Remember, you are awesome. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Click on one of those thumbnails.